na chulo le se chilo gon le se. Toge de. 네, 까마추리가 저기를 다가 MT 잘랐거든.
딱 어제 저들 저 저기 있다다. 저다. 빵하게들 몽알이야. 야, 저 인심을 저들. 저 저기 어디가. 그러니까 너무 빠르다. I'm getting out the choice now together.
Metro station पहुंच गए guys and this is our outfits. MT sama saja yang home garden juga home garden. Ini sudah. Cukup tu le mars man. Cukup le ndo cuma sab lift se. And we bought singzu and we're gonna have singzu after like so long, and this is both. This is also burp and bye with singzu and sharayo. This is also burp and korokorok and sausages, laughing, our favorite diet coke and some chips. Hey guys, good morning. So this is the second day and right now we are at Wongden Cafe. If you want to have the best cake, pastries, cheesecake, croissant and everything, just come here. Right now I'm having my favorite croissant. कैसा गाजी ब्रेकफास्ट तिर्दा French breakfast latte da sorry cappuccino da croissant sa dermo कैसा nya कैसा cheers यो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ना मशहूर गाइस इसमें दिल्ली का बोंग है बोंग Kesan go nyam da ya baga sa dish.
Next station is Vidhan Sabha. To sit on the seats reserved.
So once once again we are back at our favorite spot, which is hot pot. And like I always used to say, hot pot ko na mujhe sponsor karna chahiye ek baar zaruri, because I've been promoting them for like years and years. And मेरे सारे friends and relatives पूछ रहे कि जो भी तूने अभी खाना खाया, like वो वाला फोटो भेजते कि कहाँ से खाया. And I used to tell them कि यहाँ से आप लोग यहाँ जाओ, खाना बहुत अच्छा है. So I've just ordered and I'm so hungry. So hungry, so. Good morning. We are once again here at Wongden Cafe because we really like the drinks and the food and everything and the ambiance, of course. So today I'm gonna try here egg cheesy sandwich with avocado, and Kesang's gonna have what? Peanut?
Banana pancake.
Banana pancake. Banana pancake. She loved the peach iced tea that we had last morning. She's gonna stick with the same drink. I'm waiting for my order. I'm starving.
एक बार में अगर किसी पर पसंद
एक बार केसंग ने एक चीज को पसंद कर लिया तो वो बार पिएगा.
मेरा हिंदी
थोड़ा
हिंदी
थोड़ा इसका हिंदी थोड़ा. और we love Wongden Cafe. di tharjo di ramne naga le ra thando kuchu lo shumendo le khada ni ba de man ta was bronzer do de chala ki da bus stand do de aap ate ma so ke sath do re ta chawa ge do na